Hey artist pals, I'm Maddie Frost. Welcome to another episode of Let's Draw with Maddie Frost. Today we're doing a Halloween episode and we're gonna draw some cute Halloween friends. We're going to have fun and let's do this. Woo! Hello, you ghouls, my artist ghouls. Let's start with our vamp dog. So I'm gonna start with an oval shape like this. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little upside down triangle for his little vampire widow's peak. So cute. Here we go. And then I'm going to do a nose underneath that. So I just do a little kind of oval shape, and it's almost like the letter T actually, like that. And some eyes. Great. Boo. I've got a boo boo. I'm so funny. Okay, and a smile like that. Excellent. And some fangs, right? So spooky. Let's put in a body shape. So I'm just gonna go down and do like a little rectangle square shape and some feet. Great, but it's not looking really like a dog yet, so let's add some ears. So I'm gonna go out like this and like that, and I'm gonna color mine in. But you can leave yours not colored if you want. If you have a different idea for colors, that's great. Okay, so spooky. And how about a bow tie? So I'll just draw a circle and then two triangle kind of shapes for the bow tie. Excellent. And let's put in this cape. So let's see, there is coming out from one side here, kind of goes out and then back in, out and then back in. Spooky. And it's going to go out like this and on the other side like that. And then you can just sort of wave the bottom a little. Ooh, like that. Great. And the last thing for our vamp dog is some little hands. So we can have him like this. Maybe you can have him holding a trick-or-treat bag or whatever you want. Yeah, so spooky. And now for our ghost cat, I will slide our little buddy over, and super simple, I'm going to draw a little gumdrop shape like that. I'm going to wave the bottom line. I'm going to add some cute cat ears and some eyes, of course, right? A nose. If you have a great shape for a cat nose, go ahead and do it. I like to do an upside down triangle. And a line down and a smile. You could give this cat vampire fangs too if you wanted. It's a ghost vamp cat. Some whiskers out from the side. Oh, look at these buddies. And I did something fun with the hat, a little witch hat, and I have it floating because that's what I imagine a little ghost cat hat to do. is not really rest on her head, but just a little above. Awesome. And then you can add a little shadow on the ground to show that the ghost cat is hovering. Woo! Excellent job. And maybe a speech bubble. I'll give them each a speech bubble. I'll say this one's going to say happy. And ghost cat's gonna say Halloween. And I love speech bubbles, so I'm going to just go around and then down. All right, and then I'm gonna do this one kind of close to the hat. That's okay. Whee! Great, and this would make an awesome Halloween card for someone, or just a really cute drawing. Great job, you guys. I hope you have a super fun and happy and safe Halloween. Spooky.